Yo, what is up, guys and girls? It's me, Jake, and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make an updated Braun Strowman Elite. So what we're going to be doing in this episode is just a simple hand swap. Except we're not just going to be doing a simple hand swap. We'll be also doing a simple boot swap. Except we won't just be doing a simple boot swap and hand swap. We will be doing a head swap. My custom Braun Strowman head swap. No, my custom Braun Strowman head that I made yesterday. It took about 20 minutes. It's pretty easy if you have a Dremel and acetone and a little bit of clay to fill up that piece of brown rubber that they leave for the ponytail. So yeah, I used a Dremel and it's all gone. So I'm gonna be head swapping, simple hand swapping, and boot swapping. So let's get right into the time lapse. Alright, so I hope that is heated enough. Okay, there we go. One boot off. One boot off. Ah, it's hot. Jesus. Ow. I think I just burnt myself. I'm going to put these boots back on this Strowman just because I don't want loose pieces hanging around. Okay, there we go. One boot off again. Another boot off again. And one boot on, I think. Yeah, let's go. And one boot on. So here is the other Strowman. If you guys ever wondered what other Strowman Elites look like with those boots, it's not too bad, but we don't even need that right now. So okay, I'm not even gonna show that. So let's just pop out the hands real quick. We're gonna do the hands and we're gonna do the heads at last. So let's put that hand in, that hand out, this hand in. All right, that's looking pretty sick. So now I'm gonna do a time lapse for the head sculpt. Yeah, let's do that. All right, so I'm hoping that was enough. Let's just, oh my. Oh, my hand is hot. Jesus. Is this one gonna be enough? Oh my God. Holy smokes. Well, yeah, there's that. The sculpting got a little messed up, but I can easily re-sculpt that. It's no big deal. All right, we got it on. And let's move that away. Let me move the camera back a little bit. And you see that? I totally didn't cut open a Funko Pop. It's okay, though. It's okay. So, oh, wait. Let me just put this head scan back on. Remember, no loose parts. Okay, we got that. There we go. Oh, dude, I should have put this one on. Okay, whatever. That doesn't matter. What we're here for. Updated 2020 Raw Underground looking Braun Strowman. So we got the black boots, we got the black gloves, and we got the baldness. Hold up, let me just fix my tripod a little bit so you guys can see it more out. And here it is. I like it a lot. And I forgot to mention to you guys, we got a custom figure shirt of the YouTube channel profile picture. Thanks to J. Cola Figure Shirts on Instagram. And I think it's the same name, or just J. Cola on eBay. $10 for custom figure shirts. This is sick. But he has like a t-shirt, but I don't have one of those. So here it is. This is really pretty easy, except for the head scan. If you guys don't usually customize, so I'm gonna give this a. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. I don't know, something about it I really like. So I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Smash the like button. Let's get to 170 subscribers. We're about 4 more away from that, or 4 more. So let's get there. Go follow my Instagram, Jacob Does Stuff 1, DOEZ, not ZS. I'm so stupid. Just normal Jacob Does Stuff 1. Peace out, guys. Bye.